Here we have 3 pricing cards, and we're going to animate them in. But instead of each one happening at the exact same time, we're going to add a little delay, or in other words, we're going to stagger them. In order to do this, we are going to first add an animation group, and then we're going to add the Stagger Animation component. And before we do any of this, make sure you've seen the Animations 101 video, because it's going to cover some stuff we're going to skip in this video. Let's dive in. First up, let's add the animation group. This is the foundation of all scroll-driven animations in Webstudio, and it works by animating all of its child components, which is exactly what we want. And if we go to the animation group and add a new animation, let's do fly in. And if we look under the hood with this, it's going to be moving up 100 pixels, translate. And let's preview to see what's happening. Okay, this is going up, but like I said, we don't want to have them all come in at once. We want to stagger them. So that's going to bring us to step 2. Let's add the stagger animation. This is a separate component that adds some special functionality. Let's click stagger animation, and it's kind of the same thing with animation group. We're going to drop everything in. But you're going to notice as I do this, the layout's going to break. Unlike animation group, which is kind of like a pass-through layer in the sense that the layout on tiers is going to pass through to its children, stagger animation has its own style panel. So I'm going to add back my grid here using my grid token, switching over to local and just customizing how many columns I want, 3, and then get rid of the grid that I had on the parent because that's no longer needed. Now let's click our animation group, and I'm just going to check run on canvas so it's always playing. And as I scroll it in, we can see that they are happening at different times. It's a little aggressive, so we can tune this a little bit. So on fly in, instead of that 100 pixels, maybe I just want to do 30. And now we have a nice stagger animation on our website. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.